Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand, the countertop ceilings, the dry heated display cases. Let me give you the measurements first. For this unit's entire length, about 47 inches long. Overall height is about 27.5 inches tall. And depth of the unit is about 19 inches deep. So as we can see the front, they have two big sliding glass at the front. Easy for you to open it, and for the customer, they can access the food at the front easily. And also have LED lights on top of the units. They do have a temperature display at the bottoms. And this unit is made by stainless steel. So let me turn around to see the side. On side of the units, we can see they have all the car sheets information, ETL sanitation stickers, and all details about the products and our brand's names. When we're looking the behinds, they also have two sliding glass doors and have 3 shelving of the layers. And they do have the control knobs, power switch, and indicators. Also from here, we can see the units using the standard 110 plugs. Let me give you the measurement for the inner side. The top layers shelving will be 12 inches deep. And the middle layer is about 13 inches deep. And the bottom is about 14 inches deep. And the length of the unit is about 45.5 inches wide. And the overall height of this unit is about 16 inches tall. This will be all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.